Got this, and I got some bear grease, some activated charcoal, some of the hardwood I got already laying around in the fire pit. I'm gonna crush that up and mix it in as well. Make a nice medicinal salve today. That's something y'all want to see. Stay tuned. Some good charred locust material. Let's get a little bit of that. Get a little bit of that out. I'm gonna crush that up into a powder, and I'm gonna mix that in with everything. So I found the pot that makes the best salve. If you can find one of these stainless steel made in India pots at any thrift store or yard sale, it seems to do the best. If you believe that, I'll tell you another one in a couple minutes. Let's fill this up with a little bit of pine salve. So I drilled a couple holes in the side, and once this starts to melt and render out the good pitch, I'm gonna pour it into a separate container. I don't want to set this too close to the fire, because if this pitch catches on fire, you can't get it out. It'll take a bit. It'll take a while to start melting down. Just keep an eye on it. Still got a little bit of work to do on this activated charcoal. I'll continue to make this as fine as I possibly can. It's just a matter of working it as best I can. I'm about 2/3 of the way done with the pine pitch that I brought up. I've got a good little bit in that pot. That's the stuff that's rendered. I still got to render a little bit out of this pot, and then I got one more big chunk to throw in there. I've been out here about 4 hours working on this. It's a slow process, but if I get it done, it's very, very medicinal and very rewarding to make something yourself from things off the land, in my opinion. I'm gonna add some of this activated charcoal. Got some food grade bear grease. I've got different grades. This is my cleanest grade. I don't want to do too much. I can always add more. Get that mixed in good, and then I'll take this off the fire here and I'll let it cool down and see what kind of consistency we have. Cooling off. We'll check her in the morning, see how she is. If I like it, I'll heat it back up and pour it. A little too sticky. I'm gonna reheat it and add some more bear grease. Right? Ah, look at that. Back it up. Look at what Knucklehead did. Waste. From when I was rendering down the pitch. Still a pretty good fire starter, I'd say. Save that for later. Little tea tree. Still a little thick in the middle. I gotta get it back on the fire and keep melting it down. Kind of fuse it together. All worn out, splitting wood. Let's see what we got here. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's all melted. Kind of all fused in together. Still cooling off. We'll see what happens, but right now I'm gonna rub this into my boots and water seal them. Still got it pretty liquefied. Oh yeah. It'll probably solidify just enough to where it's gonna be good. But I'd say that does a dang nice job on my work boots. Just in time for winter. Let that keep cooling down. Pretty happy with my first run. I got a lot of harder pine pitch that I've collected that I'm going to use to make some glue out of. So stay tuned for a video on that at some point. What do you all think of this pine salve? You ever use it? You ever heard of it? You ever mess with it? You ever make it? Let me know down there in the comments. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.